What's going on, y'all? It's Bud Killer, and I am back at y'all with another video. Artists, we gotta talk. We gotta talk. I am tired of you guys talking about how good you are. It don't matter. You can be the dopest lyricist all you want, spitting all these double entendres. I'm telling you, motherfuckers don't give a fuck about that shit. It's funny when I hear artists lead with, man, I'm so dope, I'm so dope. I instantly just cringe, like, you just don't get it, you fucking idiot. It's not about how good you are. It's about how consistent you are. You just need to keep on staying in people's faces. That's it. Hell, look at what is a Young Thug. He ain't even like most of the time he ain't even saying shit. It's just, like, okay, I heard Young Thug do a feature on Joyner Lucas' ADHD album. They got a song together called War. It's Joyner Lucas' song, right? The song with Joyner Lucas is about like a toxic relationship, right? This motherfucker Young Thug come in with his whack ass verse talking about something. We sell pistols, we sell guns in New York 2,000 a piece. And guess what? I thought the verse was kind of cold just because of how he said it. Like, it's like, it was kind of hard how his voice was, right? It didn't matter that Joyner Lucas had a whole topic and it was just a beautiful song. He had a complete concept with it. And then Young Thug came in talking about selling guns 2,000 a piece on a love song. But it kind of was hard. I mean, me personally, like, I do try to listen to like what people are saying, but the majority of people don't give a fuck about this shit. And he ruined the song. But because his flow is cold, you're gonna be like, okay. The average motherfucker gonna be like, okay. But your ass sitting here thinking, oh, I'm doper than this person. Why am I not on? You not on because people don't even care about that. Think about it. The average listener is simple. Like, they listening to the music, but they ain't really listening. If you notice, the artists that spitting that bullshit be more popping than the artists that's doing that introspective shit, like that, like Black Thought. You know what I'm saying? Like I can't think of too many people that's lyrical. Look, I don't even listen to that shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, nobody care about that. So you need to stop leading. You need to stop leading with how good you are, because that's a very old school, tall tee, fitted cap, big ass jeans, you know what I'm saying, Timberland construction boots in the summertime type mentality. You need to leave that shit alone, because nobody gives a fuck about how good you are. Be consistent. That's it. Be consistent. It's just a toxic way of thinking. That's how you get yourself the fuck up. I'm so dope. I could think of a couple niggas. I ain't gonna put their names out there like that. I want to, but they like, I'm dope. I'm lyrical, miracle, spiritual. It's like, no, stop. Like, can we get a flow? Can we get a nice flow? Can we get some bounce in your shit? Like, okay, if you want to do that lyrical shit, can you at least make it appealing to my ear? Like, people like shit that ride. Think about it. When people are listening to music, what they doing? They partying. They cleaning the house. They're not just sitting there they're not sitting there with a pen and pad like, man, what did he say on the second bar? Yeah, or he said lyrical, miracle, spiritual, tyrical. They ain't doing that shit. When people listen to music, they usually doing other stuff. You see what I'm saying? Like, I say the only way somebody's really sitting there listening for shit like that is when they in a dark room depressed or something, you know? But for the most part, people are just living their life, and then the music is the soundtrack to whatever they're doing. So nobody wants to hear your lyrical, miracle, spiritual. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's a subset of people who want to hear that. But what I'm telling you is, don't lead with that, right? Like, just let your shit ride. Your shit need to ride, and then just let it be lyrical. Like Kendrick, he does that. He makes it to where it rides, right? People can enjoy themselves to it, but he also saying some shit into it. Your ass is like miracle, spiritual, lyrical, tyrical. Like, yo, get the fuck out of here with that. Stop leaving how dope you are. That's the easiest way to get yourself the fuck out of here. There's a lot of niggas working at Family Dollar that's lyrical, miracle, spiritual, tyrical. Do you want to be a nigga at Family Dollar like, yo, I'm so lyrical, miracle, tyrical, spiritual? No. I really hope you listen. Just stop it. That's the fastest way to get yourself out of here. With that, I'm so dope. Usually them I'm so dope niggas do not make it. You heard any nigga that say I'm so dope, and they popped? Think about it. Look at Jay-Z, right? Jay-Z has bars, but he makes it witty. He makes it smooth. He makes it easy to listen to. Not lyrical, miracle, spiritual. We don't want to hear that. No, I hope this helps you out. Just think about it, y'all. Think about it. Just please stop leading with that shit, because that's just not it. All right, beating a dead horse. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see next. Throw some recommendations. What do you think about this topic in the comments? Do you know somebody who leads with lyrical, miracle, spiritual? That's like, I'm so dope. Are you that person? Can you be honest enough to say that you're that person? Let me know in the comments. Bud Kelly out. Peace.